Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind where we are going to do the analysis in a top-down approach way on what we saw in the first week of July month as well as what we can expect in the second week of July. And along with that, we are having like a very good momentum as of now in this particular marketplace, and whatever trend we saw, like all-time high formation, that is a very good sign for Indian markets as well. So let me quickly share the screen. Weekly Mastermind for 9th of July 2023, where we are going to look up at first market index. What are the current outperforming and underperforming sectors? What are the weekly gainers and losers from last 1 week? Some of the trending and tracking stocks for upcoming week, as well as cup pattern stocks, which we discussed so far. So market index, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and Midcap 50, and along with that, USD INR is also kind of flattish. No such signs of complete bullishness or even panicness, and India VIX is up by 6.75. So Nifty 50 monthly, weekly, and daily all are above 60, and on monthly and weekly we are having squeeze open on the upside with walk off the band, and on daily as well we saw that particular momentum in last 1 week, but like week before last 1 week, that was the end of June month, and along with that in last 4 days you can see that we saw a consolidated move, and on Friday we saw a very good red candle, based on which in upcoming week we can expect for slighter retracement, and then we can see like higher bottom formation, and from that point of time we can expect further momentum on the positive side, making all-time high zones with higher tops and higher bottoms. Similarly for Bank Nifty as well, Bank Nifty slightly you can consider better in terms of formation of higher tops and higher bottoms, because monthly and weekly are already above 60, but not a walk of the band, although squeeze is open but not walk of the band. And on daily it is exactly at 60, based on which from Monday onwards we can expect like a formation of base and momentum on the positive side. Next is sector specific. As you can see, all the sectors are on the positive side. Auto, energy, and realty, these are the sectors which have given momentum more than 2%. Rest, like some of them are flattish, some of them have given momentum around 1%, so that is a good sign. Next is Nifty IT, where we have monthly between 40-60, weekly also same condition, and on daily it is trying to come up on the positive side. But as I've already mentioned since last so many weekly mastermind sessions, that IT sector can be based on value buying, not a momentum based trades. Next is Nifty Auto, monthly, weekly, and daily all are above 60, no signs of panicness. Similarly, Nifty Metal, on Nifty Metal we are having monthly and weekly exactly at 60, based on which in upcoming week the momentum which we will see in upcoming week, that is going to decide whether the monthly and weekly time frames are going to resist 60 or they are going to break out of 60. Next is Nifty FMCG, same condition as of auto, monthly, weekly, daily above 60, and on daily we are having higher top and higher bottom formation by taking 60 support and moving average supports as well. Nifty Energy, monthly around moving average, about to break out of 60, which is around 57 itself, and on weekly it has a given range of almost 60.4 in terms of RSI, and on daily as well it is trying to move on the positive side, and it is trying to pull the higher time frames, that is the medium term and the long term trend, on the positive side to create like new highs. Next is Nifty Pharma. On monthly, the concern is that it has resisted exactly at monthly, but this is just a beginning, and whatever momentum we can see in upcoming weeks, that is going to decide whether the pharma sector is going to reside below 60 itself or it is going to break out and form new highs. Next is Nifty Infra, similar condition, monthly, weekly, daily above 60, all are giving very good signs, and squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band, no such signs of concern. Nifty Realty, monthly, weekly, daily above 60, very good sign. And similarly for Nifty Media, like since last 4 months we are discussing that it is at the base, and in last 1 week it has started showing current. As you can see on daily that it has broken out of the moving average, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band with very good green candle. And same is the momentum on weekly time frame as well, where it has taken almost moving average support and squeeze open on the upside, and this squeeze has just now started. So from this point of time we can expect the monthly chart to move on the positive side, the monthly momentum, and then media sector can also outperform in upcoming few weeks. Next is weekly best performers from Nifty 50. First is Zeal Limited, momentum of almost 16.14 on the positive side. Next is IBL Housing Finance, 12.27, like a very, very good sign. Next is M&M, Hero MotoCorp, IOC, Yes Bank, and Bajaj Finance. These are the stocks which performed well in last 1 week. Similarly, weekly worst performers, Eicher Motors down by 10.16, Adani Ports down by 5.0. Next is UPL, HCL Tech, HDFC Bank, HDFC and Bharti Airtel. These are some of the worst performers from last 1 week. So trend following stocks, which are monthly, weekly and daily above 60, which we can apply based on system 5 as well. So those are, first is Glenmark. We have monthly, weekly, daily above 60, and on monthly we are having a small cup breakout, which was formed almost in the mid of 2021, and this is like a mid of 2023. Once it breaks out of that particular cup, like a smaller cup itself, then we can expect fast movement on the positive side on lower time frames as well, that is on daily time frame. Next is Tata Motors, monthly, weekly, daily above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band, very good sign, and even the volume, like the demand is higher as compared to supply. Next is Canara Bank, monthly, exactly at 60 support. You can consider last 1 month that took 60 support. Weekly is freshly breaking out of 60, and on daily a very good high demand, based on which this is the stock which we can go for like a low risk, high reward opportunity in terms of system 5 trades. Next is PNP, monthly and weekly are freshly breaking out of 60, and on daily it has shown very good momentum, very good sign. Next is Apollo Tires. This is the stock which we discussed in last 1 week. This was the stock which was on trending. This was the stock which we kept on tracking, where I mentioned that right now it has resisted to cross 60, but once it breaks out, then again we can enter fresh with low risk, high reward entry, and that's the sign which we have seen on Friday. Next is tracking stocks for this particular week. First is AB Capital, monthly, weekly already above 60, and on daily it is exactly at 60, based on which once it gives us the confirmation with a green candle and good demand, we can go for the lower time frames, and then we can enter trade based on system 3 advance. Next is Axis Bank, similar condition, monthly and weekly are already above 60, and on daily it has resisted to cross 60. Similar as of Apollo Tires, as I mentioned in last 1 week, on Apollo Tires as well, it was the exact condition, and then it gave a slighter retracement, and right now it is breaking out of 60 on Apollo Tires. And similarly for Axis Bank as well, once it breaks out of 60 and even the squeeze opens on the upside, then we can enter fresh once again. Next is M&M Finance, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and daily is also above 60. But on Friday, it gave a very good move on the lower side, based on which we have again got low risk entry opportunity into this based on system 3 advance. BEL, similar condition. Next is BEL is also having similar condition as of Axis Bank, which I discussed like 1 or 2 charts back. Next is DLF, monthly, weekly, daily, all are above 60. On daily, it can take exact 60 support, and once it gives good demand, then we can enter fresh once again. So these are some of the tracking stocks. Let's quickly understand and analyze some of the previous cup pattern stocks which we discussed in last 1 week. First of them was M&M Finance, which we discussed, and the resolution point was around 325.5, and the current market price is around 328.80. And this is the stock itself which I mentioned based on like tracking, where we can have low risk opportunities once again. Next is PFC, double cup breakout, and the resolution point was around 192.5, and current market price around 220.30. Very good sign, and even buying volume is increasing since last so many months. Next is Ashok Leyland. On this particular stock, till date we have not got any of the confirmations. In upcoming week, we can keep this stock on our radar, and once it breaks out of the resolution point, we can apply cup pattern strategy, and the resolution point is around 169.5, and current market price is around 163.60, which means it is resisting to cross this cup pattern, and until and unless it is not crossing that particular zone of resolution point, we are not going to enter any trade with anticipation, right? So these are some of the cup pattern stocks, tracking stocks, as well as trending stocks for this particular week. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed a lot from this particular video as well. And for all the members those who are present into this particular video, I want to mention that from last 3 weeks, we have started this particular initiative and this series called as Technical Saturdays, where every single week at 5 p.m. I'm posting some of the topics based on like stock market, based on technical analysis, right from the basics, which means even if you're someone who is starting off your journey, even if you're someone who is willing to start off your journey and you want to start off right from the basics till the boom, like that is the advanced level, then that particular series can help you out. So before leaving this particular video, I want to ensure that you are sharing your 5 biggest takeaways below this particular video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.